So all the necessary parameters here that you need to know how to buy and sell, I'm going to teach you all the parameters that you need here. Everything, even if you want to use robots to trade. Yes, auto trading, call it auto trading. You want to use robot to trade where you don't need to be there to trade, I'll teach you how to do that in another video. In case I forget to do it, just remind me. Okay, so the platform is very easy to use, very easy to use. Just trying to go back in time past, looking at the history, looking at what price I've done, what these are. I'm going to tell you what they are. We call these candles Japanese candlesticks, and the line you see around it is called the moving average line. It's a moving average line. This is also a moving average line. So what they do, I'm going to teach you everything. I'm going to teach you what they all stand for. So it's not something that is difficult. You will know how to do this. You know how to trade the forex market. As simple as ABC. Okay? So, when is it traded? When is forex market traded? The forex market is actually open 24 hours every day for 5 days a week. Or 5 days a week. So Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays. For Nigerian people, market closes by 10 p.m. on Fridays and opens around 10 p.m. on Sundays. Okay? So you can, Nigeria is using GMT +1. So those of you that are in other countries, you can check what time it is for you. Okay? So there are major financial centers where currencies are traded. Where these currencies are traded often in large volumes. So we have London, New York, Tokyo. Those are three important specific major trading centers. So whatever is happening in London is key to us. Whatever is happening in New York is extremely key to us, and Tokyo partially key to us. Others are not really too key to us. But London, New York, those two are extremely key to us. While Tokyo, you can still trade it partially. But I recommend that you trade during the London and New York times if you're a day trader. And if you're a swing trader, no problem. I'll explain what I mean by all this later. Okay? So what are the most traded currency pairs? You see, currencies are actually traded in pairs. For instance, you want US dollars. You have Naira and you want US dollars. So what is going to happen is that you will be giving out your Naira while you are collecting US dollars. So that is, you are trading currency in pairs. You have Euro, US dollars. You have US dollars, you have Japanese yen. You have Great Britain, you have US dollars. You see, these are currencies that are traded in pairs. In forex market, where you want to make money in this forex market that I'm taking you, you will need to trade some major currencies pairs, some major currency pairs, and these are the Euro USD, USD Japanese yen, GBP USD, that's the Great Britain. Then you have the Aussie, the Australian US dollars against the US dollars. You have the US dollars against the Canadian dollar. You have the US dollar against the Swiss francs, and you have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollars. So these are major currency pairs. You have other currency pairs that are also huge in financial transactions that you can also make huge money from. So which are Great Britain pound versus the Japanese yen, the Great Britain pound versus the Australian dollar. These are Euro versus Great Britain. These are big currency pairs that you can trade and make huge fortune from. So currencies are traded in pairs, you should know that. And So cryptocurrencies are gradually taking over fiat currencies. Today we can trade cryptocurrencies. It's now becoming a major market for us. So I'll be taking you how to trade that too. Just like I said, Dogecoin moved moved over 800% in just 2 days, and that is great. That is very great. So I will show you how to do that too. Okay, so who trades forex? We have some major people that actually trade forex. You see, this forex that we're talking about, we have millions, in fact trillions of dollars traded every single day. We have over $7 trillion traded every single day. So if you want to be collecting $1,000 from the forex market per day, it is like as if you are dropping a pin in an ocean. The forex market will never feel whatever you are taking from it. I've seen a guy that took over $150,000 in a single day. Just a guy like me, over $850,000 in a single day. So, and the forex market did not even know that he took anything. So you will be making a lot of money from this. Like I said, central banks, commercial banks, investment management, like the investment fund managers, the end fund managers, the non-bank foreign exchange companies, like the pension funds, etc., the bureau, the change, and you, the forex exchange trader, the retailer. You, once you start trading forex, you're a retailer. In that case, as a retailer, our money is usually insignificant in the market. It's extremely insignificant, not just significant, extremely significant in the market. They don't feel that you are actually doing anything in the market. So the first 5 are the big boys with huge amount of capital to venture into the forex market and make huge amount of profits ranging into millions of dollars. You can also do the same if you are patient and determined to make it big time in forex. Take your time to sharpen your skills instead of just running into the market without appropriate direction. So why would you like to venture into forex markets? Why? The forex market, like I said, is the biggest and the highest liquidity in the world. It's the biggest market in the world. It's trading per day over $8 trillion. $8 trillion every single day. Okay? The forex market is traded 24/5. You can enter the market almost with any amount you have. You can enter even with $50, even with $10 when you open a nano account. Okay? The entitlement to leverage. You have the ability to enter the market with leverage. Okay?